Transform your kitchen into a sleek, contemporary masterpiece with our top design tips. Watch now to discover how to create a space that's both stylish and functional in just a few easy steps. Hey everybody, welcome back to HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your kitchen into a contemporary masterpiece. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just a few updates, we've got you covered with the latest tips and ideas. Imagine walking into a kitchen that's sleek, stylish, and modern. Picture clean lines, minimalist designs, and the perfect blend of form and function. That's what a contemporary kitchen is all about, and we're here to help you achieve that look. Stay tuned as we explore everything from cabinetry and color schemes to lighting and smart technology. Let's get started on creating a kitchen that's not only beautiful but also a joy to use. First up, let's talk about cabinetry. One of the key elements in a contemporary kitchen is flat panel cabinets. These sleek, smooth front cabinets provide a clean and modern look, eliminating the clutter of ornate designs. Another popular choice is handle-free cabinets. These designs feature push-to-open mechanisms or integrated handles, creating a seamless and streamlined appearance. Imagine running your hand along the cabinet door and having it open effortlessly, maintaining that minimalist aesthetic. Whether you choose flat panel or handle-free cabinets, these options will instantly update your kitchen and give it that contemporary edge. Now, let's dive into color schemes. The foundation of any contemporary kitchen is a neutral color palette. Think whites, grays, and blacks. These colors create a clean, sophisticated look and serve as the perfect backdrop for your modern design elements. To add some visual interest, you can introduce bold accent colors sparingly. Imagine a sleek, all-white kitchen with pops of navy blue or emerald green in the decor. Metallic accents like brushed gold or stainless steel can also bring a touch of elegance and contrast. By sticking to a neutral base and incorporating strategic accent colors, you'll achieve a balanced and contemporary look that's both stylish and timeless. Let's move on to countertops and backsplashes. For a contemporary kitchen, quartz or granite countertops are excellent choices. These materials not only look sleek and polished, but are also durable and easy to maintain. Imagine the smooth, clean surface of a quartz countertop, reflecting the natural light and enhancing the modern vibe of your kitchen. When it comes to backsplashes, simplicity is key. Consider a minimalist backsplash made from glass, stainless steel, or large format tiles. A continuous glass or stainless steel backsplash can create a seamless, uninterrupted look that complements your modern countertops. Large format tiles, with their fewer grout lines, offer a clean and cohesive appearance. Combining these elements will give your kitchen a sophisticated and contemporary feel that's both functional and beautiful. Next, let's talk about appliances. In a contemporary kitchen, integrated appliances are a must. Built-in or integrated appliances blend seamlessly with your cabinetry, creating a unified and sleek appearance. Picture a refrigerator or dishwasher that's concealed behind cabinet doors, maintaining the smooth, uninterrupted lines of your kitchen. Stainless steel appliances are another hallmark of contemporary design. Their sleek, modern look adds a touch of sophistication and complements any color scheme. Think about a stainless steel fridge, oven, and microwave, all working together to enhance the modern aesthetic of your kitchen. Choosing integrated and stainless steel appliances will ensure your kitchen looks polished and up to date. Let's illuminate your contemporary kitchen with the right lighting choices. Statement lighting is a key element in modern design. Think about installing modern pendant lights or a linear chandelier over your kitchen island or dining area. These fixtures not only provide necessary light but also serve as eye-catching focal points. Under cabinet lighting is another essential feature. LED strip lights placed under your cabinets can create a warm, inviting ambience while also providing practical task lighting. Imagine the soft glow highlighting your countertops and backsplashes, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. By combining statement lighting with functional under-cabinet lights, you'll create a bright, stylish, and contemporary space. Now, let's focus on flooring. In a contemporary kitchen, the right flooring can make a significant impact. Hardwood floors are a timeless choice that can add warmth and elegance to the space. Opt for a light or dark finish to match your overall color scheme and create a cohesive look. If you prefer tiles, go for large format tiles in neutral tones. These tiles minimize grout lines and provide a clean, streamlined appearance. Another excellent option is polished concrete floors, which offer an industrial yet sophisticated vibe, perfect for a modern kitchen. Choosing the right flooring can elevate your kitchen's design, making it both stylish and functional. Let's talk storage solutions, which are crucial for a contemporary kitchen. Open shelving is a fantastic way to display stylish dishware and add a personal touch to your kitchen. Choose shelves with clean lines and minimal brackets to keep the look sleek and modern. For a more hidden approach, consider innovative storage solutions like pull-out pantries and deep drawers. These features help keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free while maintaining a clean and streamlined appearance. Imagine effortlessly accessing all your kitchen essentials with just a pull or slide. Incorporating both open shelving and clever hidden storage options will ensure your kitchen is not only beautiful but also highly functional. Moving on to decor, the key to a contemporary kitchen is keeping things minimal. Focus on clean lines and functional pieces. Avoid cluttering your countertops with too many items. Instead, choose a few well-chosen decor elements that enhance the modern aesthetic without overwhelming the space. Incorporate contemporary art pieces or sleek, modern vases to add personality to your kitchen. A few green plants can also bring a touch of nature into your space, adding color and life while maintaining the minimalist vibe. By sticking to a minimalist decor approach, you'll create a kitchen that feels both stylish and serene. Let's explore how smart technology can elevate your contemporary kitchen. Incorporating smart appliances is a great way to blend modern convenience with sleek design. Imagine having a smart refrigerator that can help you manage your grocery list or an oven that you can control remotely from your smartphone. Smart lighting systems are another essential. With the ability to control your lights via a smartphone or voice assistant, you can easily adjust the ambience of your kitchen to suit any mood or occasion. Automated lighting not only adds a high-tech touch, but also enhances functionality. Integrating smart technology into your kitchen will not only streamline your daily routines, but also keep your space at the forefront of modern design. Finally, let's look at furniture for your contemporary kitchen. Modern furniture should have sleek, clean lines and a minimalist design to complement the overall look. For dining areas, consider a simple, elegant table with understated chairs that fit seamlessly into your kitchen's design. Bar stools are another essential element, especially for kitchen islands. Opt for contemporary styles with metal or wooden finishes that blend with your cabinetry and countertops. These stools should be functional yet stylish, enhancing both comfort and the modern aesthetic of your space. Choosing the right furniture will complete your contemporary kitchen, ensuring it's both practical and visually stunning. You've now got a comprehensive guide to transforming your kitchen into a contemporary haven. From sleek cabinetry and neutral color schemes to modern appliances and smart technology, every element contributes to a stylish and functional space. Remember, a contemporary kitchen is all about clean lines, minimalism, and functionality. By incorporating these ideas, you'll create a kitchen that's not only visually stunning but also a joy to use. Thank you for joining us on this journey to modernize your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips. We'd love to hear which idea you're most excited to try. Leave a comment below.